I'm NASA Kennedy's Sam Testa, and this is the Kennedy Countdown. NASA is making final preparations for launch of the Lucy spacecraft on its epic 12-year mission to study the solar system's Trojan asteroids. This week, teams completed encapsulation of the payload fairing around the spacecraft. Secured and protected inside the payload fairing, Lucy was transported to Space Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. Lucy is set to launch at 5:34 a.m. on Saturday, October 16th. NASA's Launch Services Program, based at Kennedy, is managing the launch. It's Fire Prevention Week. As part of this year's Learn the Sounds of Fire Safety campaign, Kennedy Space Center has tips on how to make fire safety a priority at home. Test smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms at least once a month using the test button and follow the manufacturer's maintenance instructions. If the alarm chirps randomly, the battery is low and should be replaced right away. Most batteries need to be replaced annually. All smoke alarms must be replaced after 10 years, while carbon monoxide alarms should be replaced every 5 to 10 years. To keep up with Kennedy, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.